Hi everyone, Mike McConville here again, Stratford, Ontario, Canada for String Tech Workstations. Another spectacular Les Paul. Look at the top on this thing. Well, this is in for the regular treatment. So this job will be posted on my Patreon channel. A to Z, we'll go over this whole job. All these splatting notes up at the top end. All the inconsistencies in those frets are going to be taken care of. Then we'll be able to drop that action down anywhere he wants it. No, this is a smoking guitar, but it needs some attention. And that's what I'm here for, to guide you through this stuff. This will be 100% when we're done. But I'm just making a point, as I have over and over again with my students and the tech deck guys around the world. I'm going to show you exactly how to take care of this problem.